Hey, it's Faye. Thank you, Clarins, for sponsoring today's video with my sister. We're gonna get ready for our 2 girls try one size clothes video. We did this before and you guys seem to really like it, so here we are again. As you guys see, we need a lot of work. Hi, just wanted to pop in and clarify that my sister is swapping her skincare routine to follow my go-to routine. Okay, let's go. So first we're gonna start off with skincare, then makeup, and then we'll hop into the video. Start by toning our face, and we have really different skin types. This is the perfect time for us to showcase Clarins Double Serum, how it works for everyone. This is a multitasking serum that claims is enriched with 21 plants using a hydrolipidic and biomimetic double formula that optimizes the performance of your skin's 5 vital functions. Hydration, nutrition, oxygenation, regeneration, and protection. Applying our double serum using the Clarins application method is the most effective when delivering the serum to our skin. This smells good. Yeah, it's not too strong. By draining, it's helping us improve our circulation as we depuff our face. Clearing blockage and increasing our blood flow will help us strengthen our facial muscles. This application is actually super popular in spas because it allows your skincare to really penetrate in your skin and it has the right amount of pressure. Yeah, it's actually more gentle than I thought. It's like less tuggy on the face. Yeah, because we got wrinkles. We can't afford tugging. This is why this is good. Yeah, and it addresses all signs of aging. Even more if you're consistent. Being consistent is super important, especially in a skincare routine. Using the same product for 28 days will give you the best results. 28 days basically represents the amount of time that skin needs to renew, aka your skin cycle. Texture's pretty interesting. Yeah, it's a little bit heavy with the water oil soluble mixture, but the cool thing is that it just soaks in really easily. It feels like it's going to soften and plump any rough patches on our skin and in our life. I'm leaving the link down below to Clarins Double Serum, and also check out their additional serums for any other skin concern through the link down below. Applying the moisturizer on top of our serum is gonna help the moisturizer and serum absorb deeper into our skin. This is gonna boost hydration and also better protect your skin at every layer. Wow, my face feels plumped already. It feels nice. Doesn't it feel like we're just massaging ourselves? It feels nice. It's a good pamper. Yeah! Pamper yourself. Now, it's time to do makeup. And we're done and we're ready for the video. By the way, do you like our skin? Wasn't it so silky to put your makeup on? Oh my god! We look young and hip! So today's video is gonna be another 2 girls try one size clothes. She is a lot thinner than I am, as you can tell. Now with that pandemic. If you watched our first video, we look a little different. Quarantine 15, 20, 25. But that's gonna make the video more interesting today, don't you think so? No. Ew. You pulled me towards you. You didn't need to fall on me. Anyway, these are our sizes on the screen. Feel free to relate. You guys know that I always shop on YesStyle and a lot of their clothes come in one size, like the Asian one size. One size we're all supposed to fit, right? How would it look differently on all of us? We're gonna do that, okay. We're going into the video, by the way, if you didn't realize. It's almost the year anniversary of this set. I used to fit this besides the butt, so we're gonna try that on. You just got my lipstick on it. Threw it at my face. My bad. Come through, come in. Let's see. Wow. Whoa. I'm wearing a training bra. Not a training bra. Is it tight? Regular bras. It fell out. Tight. She actually has a button in it, so it looks very like woo. Is it tight around the armpits? Let's try go. You just try to squeeze something. Here you go. The pants don't look tight. Were they tight? It's been a year since I wore this, so take it off and let me try. What? Here, go lick it. It's cute. It's cute. Hater! This is how it looks like on me. I still look snatched. Ding, 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 doo, doo. I know it's a little tight. Look at my tummy when I'm in here now. Squishies. It's all normal, guys. Wiggle it out. It's fine. My arms are so flabby. Well, first of all, your first mistake was wearing a bra like that under this. Look at this. So the next piece is this yellow floral. I've worn it already. We already know it's a little bit too small on me. We get it, Faye. But how does it look like on my sis? Help me. That's cute! Wow, you look like a different person. Go fall out. It won't, there's nothing to fall out. I'm kidding. I wish I was this confident like when I was 16. This is like perfect. We're talking about you have a perfect body. Everybody but perfect. You know this skirt is actually an extra large. I just included it. It's an extra large in Asia. I know. flaunt it till you taunt it. You see how like it fits it perfectly this way? Keep it in your memory because then you're gonna see me next. Keep it in your memory. Oh wait, the skirt, it fits you. There's nothing hanging out. Yeah, I still keep it in your memory. Need to zap me. Zap me.
No, seriously. Hold that. Ooh, okay, suck it in. I can't do it.
You're just weak.
Okay, you do it.
No, I have an ass now, so this is the top of me. I just feel like my arms and the sides of all of me are coming out. My sides are growing sides.
But it's not.
My skirt. So you know how like I struggled a couple videos to zip it and I was almost there. Well, guess what? We went down a notch. We downgraded. We definitely downgraded. It's okay. I can confess and admit that your girl gained weight.
We all did. We all did.
I still feel very comforting. This is how it looks like on me. The skirt no longer fits. Yeah.
Those are one sizes?
Now we have on a dress. Let's see. I'm not wearing that. I'm not putting that dress on. I'm not wearing it. It doesn't. So this is the dress. It's a cherry beige off the shoulder ruffle. We're selling it for only $10. It has like and cotton. We're going live right now. It's a cute dress. Without this. I feel like the ruffles are a little bit too wide for you. So what we're gonna do is gonna tuck this in. Cinch this part in a little more right here. And definitely adds more flair down here. But we can totally do that for you. Are you the designer? I am.
Okay, it is size. I don't want this dress anymore.
No. You put a deposit, man. But it's just not.
This would be cute.
I don't even know if that will fix it. I'm not putting it on. I'm not gonna wear it. I call out. I'm not wearing it. No one's like forcing me, so I don't know why. The next piece we have, as my shirt is rolling up, one of the classic thought outfits. Get in here. Get in here.
That's a cute necklace.
I get. My boyfriend got me this necklace matching my bracelet. Oh my god. Get in here, girl.
You need to chill.
I can't. So this is the next outfit. It reminds me of those paintings. TikToks where the thing goes down.
Oh, they're like the 18th century?
Take a note, meant to know how this can tie on to her. This is how she'd wear it. Who wore it better? Give it to me. Here it is. Here she comes. The one, the only. It is tied on my arm. So you know how my sister can tie her shirt? I can too. It's just... So that's why I don't wear it like that. I wear it like this. Because my sleeve falls off on its own like T-Man. The tube top actually fits pretty well on both of us. Color contrast is so muddy, but gorgeous.
That's a one size?
Yeah! So we had to add, I wanted to add a loose goose sweatsuit.
This is not a sweatsuit.
It's not a sweat. A set. One set. This used to have shoulder pads. I cut it off. When you think of sweat outfits, t-shirt, whatever it might be, you think baggy, you think loose, you think comfy, you think. So I wanted to add it so you guys can see that on her it's a lot more loose than it is on me, which is just makes sense. It's mathematical. We know that.
Geometry.
Her looks very like woo.
Stitch.
We love a waist cutter. You totally wear this.
Yeah, this part's kind of funny. It's so long.
Yeah. By the way, please don't take offense to any of the things we're saying. It's just kind of how sisters are, alright?
This is really long.
Why is that an issue?
It just looks really
that
long.
Can hide things
What?
for other people.
Where? Who?
That's not too long. Actually, ignore everything I just said previously because this fits really well as well. It's loose, it's not tight. It feels very freeing. Look at my pants. I'm sorry, but it's too tight on my tummy and there's not enough hideout for me. Fight me on this, but that's how a sweatpants should work and wear and look. I love the top. Why do I wear this more often? What the heck? I look like a Dorito. But Doritos are delicious, so that's a compliment, by the way. I'm hungry. Okay, so this is the next top, the last top. It's been a long day. We gotta go. It looks really flattering on you. Look at the small straps. We love that for one. Look at the crisscross applesauce. We love that for one. Texture of this, very nice. The stretch, I would appreciate.
The material is really nice, actually.
Right? I love the color, as we all know. A top you could dress up or down. If you want to look fancy, you can make it look fancy, but if you want to look trashy, you can.
I mean, like, if you want to look trashy.
I love looking trashy. Look that way, because I'll be standing over there. Okay, now it's my turn. It looks great. What?
Looks good.
The straps are so tiny. It feels like restricting.
Because it's like right here that hurt. It just kind of brings this up.
Oh,
Look at the dent.
I know. It feels like it's going to fall off like that.
Yeah.
I want to do this. Squishies at the back.
Ooh. You want to look classy or trashy? Here, look.
Huh?
The necklace is really cute.
Thanks, boyfie. My tummy shows through, but who cares?
Everybody has a tummy.
Everybody has a tummy.
Can't live without a tummy.
You can't, kid! And that is it for us, 2 girls in 1 size. Like this video if you guys want us to do another try-on haul where we wear 1 size clothes. Has it been fun?
How'd you say?
If you guys want to subscribe to my sister's, what do you do? Med School vlog. Then I'll leave her stuff down below and follow her on Instagram. Until next time, we're sending love. Bye!